Next question. What is the IUPAC name of this one? CH2 double bond CH. Already we discussed in the classification of alkyl groups. You know, this is alkenyl group, right? Alkenyl. What is the name of this one? Common name vinyl. Vinyl. CH2 double bond CH is vinyl group or ethenyl. Vinyl or ethenyl. Ethenyl. Vinyl or ethenyl. This is also named as vinyl, also named as ethenyl. Ethenyl generally we called it as IUPAC. Vinyl we call it as normal. I mean general. Ethenyl we call it as IUPAC and vinyl we call it as generally common, right? Common name vinyl, IUPAC name ethenyl. Ethenyl. Clear? Right. Next question. Isobutyl group is. Which one is isobutyl group? This is. Already we have discussed in the classification of alkyl groups. Isobutyl group. Isobutyl group means at one end, this one, at one end, tertiary alkyl group is present, another end, CH2. Isobutyl. Isobutyl. This is isobutyl group. One end, isopropyl group, other end, CH2. Terminal group. Terminal CH2 is there. Isobutyl. Isopentyl means one more CH2. Isohexyl means one more CH2. Isopentyl, isoaptyl, one more CH2. Like that, we increase CH2 groups based on number of carbon atoms. We call it as butyl, pentyl, hexyl, like that. Okay, so then the right answer is third one. See this question. IUPAC name of given molecule. This methyl group here, actually printing mistake, methyl group. While finding IUPAC name, we should identify any functional group or multiple bonds or substituent in the compound. If you observe in this one, there is one functional group, right? Which functional group that is? OH. Then we have to select longest possible continuous chain in which functional group carbon should involve in the parent chain. Should involve. That means this is functional group carbon should involve in the parent chain. So this is the parent chain, right? After selecting parent chain, we should give numbering in which the functional group carbon should get lowest number, because functional group carbon is priority, right, according to rules. So then you should give numbering 1 to this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Other than parent chain, remaining group considered as substituents. After selecting parent chain and giving numbering to the parent chain, you should write in the order of IUPAC name. What is the order? First we should write substituent, then after root word, then after primary suffix, next secondary suffix. You should write in this way. Substituent. At second carbon atom, one substituent is there. What is the substituent? Methyl. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Root word. What is root word? 3 carbons, right? Prop. 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 Root word. Prop. Primary suffix. Primary suffix always tells any saturated, any unsaturation is present or not. Any unsaturation is present means multiple bonds. No multiple bonds between the carbon atoms, right? That's why saturated compound only. Saturated compound means ane, right? Propane. 2 methyl propane. Propane. And secondary suffix. Secondary suffix tells about functional group. What is the functional group? Alcohol. On which carbon atom? First carbon atom. First carbon atom, right? So then the right answer is ol. What is the secondary suffix? Ol, right? So 2 methyl propane 1 ol or 2 methyl propanol 1. So this is the right answer. Got it? According to IUPAC naming rules. See the next question. List 1, list 2, compound and hybridization of carbon. First one, methanol. Methanol. What is the formula of methanol? Methanol means aldehyde is the functional group, right? Aldehyde. Aldehyde is the functional group. Only one carbon. So methanol. This is the formula of methanol. What is the hybridization of this carbon atom? sp2, right? Methanol, sp2. So a sp2. sp2. Ethane. Ethane means it's an alkane, right? CH3 bond CH3. Alkane. What is the hybridization? sp3. Acetylene. Acetylene is alkane, right? CH triple bond CH. Acetylene. CH triple bond CH. sp carbon. Acetylene. sp carbon. Propadiene. Propadiene means already we discussed CH2C single bond CH. Right? This is sp2 carbon and this one sp carbon. Around this carbon atom 2 sigma bonds sp. This one sp2 carbon. So then both sp2 and sp. Right? A4 B3 C1 D2. Right? And choose the correct answer according to this. The shape of acetylene molecule, right? Acetylene molecule structure CH triple bond CH, right? Acetylene molecule CH triple bond CH, right? In acetylene molecule, what is the hybridization of carbon? sp. So sp carbon means what is the shape? Linear, right? sp carbon linear, sp2 carbon triangular planar, sp3 carbon tetrahedral, right? So then the answer is linear. Okay. The carbon atoms in the compound CN4 times C2R. First of all, we should write the structure CN4 times C2 or the CN4 times C2. There are two carbon atoms, right? Two carbon atoms. Two carbon atoms. Four cyanide groups. And now around this carbon atom, two bonds, right? Remaining two more bonds. This is CN4 times C double bond C. CN4 times C2. CN4 times C2. And what hybridization of the carbon atoms in this one? You know, CN means C triple bond N, right? C triple bond N means what is the hybridization of carbon? sp. Here this carbon atom sp2. Why? Because around this carbon atom 3 sigma bonds 1, 2, 3. So what hybridization? One in double bond carbon atom sp2, in CN carbon sp hybridization. So then the right answer is both sp and sp2 hybridized. So third option. So the next question. This is information based question. C bond energy, C double bond C bond energy, C triple bond C bond energy, and C triple bond C bond length. Right? This is the information given in concept. Once go through the concept, then you can identify the values. Here nothing to solve. Just go to the information, right? Given in the concept. Next question. Secondary butyl group is. Secondary butyl means hydrogen removed from secondary carbon atom, right? And there are 4 carbon atoms. Which one is secondary butyl group? This is N-butyl. And this one is secondary butyl. Here bond is there. This is secondary carbon, right? Secondary carbon. 4 carbon atoms. So this is secondary butyl, right? Next one. This one isobutyl. This one already we discussed. Isobutyl. And this one tertiary butyl. First one N-butyl. Second one secondary butyl. Third one tertiary butyl. Here bond is there. Fourth one isobutyl. This is isobutyl. But the question is, which one is secondary butyl? So what is the right answer? Second option. Clear? Next question. List 1 and list 2 matching type question. Benzene. heterocyclic, alicyclic, aliphatic, aromatic, unsaturated, aliphatic, right? Benzene we know, this is well known compound. It's a aromatic compound. This is the parent compound of aromatic, benzene. It's an aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. Pyridine. Pyridine also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Pyridine. What is the structure of pyridine? This is the structure of pyridine, right? Heterocyclic means at least one heteroatom present in the ring. So this is pyridine. One nitrogen present in the ring, right? Along with carbon atom. So this is heterocyclic aromatic compound, that is. Heterocyclic aromatic compound. Pyridine is heterocyclic. Cycloalkane. Which one is cycloalkane? Cycloalkanes are alicyclic compounds, right? For example, cyclohexane. It's a cycloalkane. As it is closed, this is cyclic and the properties resemble with aliphatic. That's why this is alicyclic. So cycloalkane is alicyclic and alkane. Alkane is aliphatic, right? Alkane is aliphatic compound. Alkanes are aliphatic. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, these and all aliphatic compounds, right? So then the right choice is A, 4, B, 1, C, 2, D, 3, right? Next one, matching type question. Compound, type of carbon atoms, neopentane, already we discussed neopentane structure. 2,2,3 trimethyl pentane. Here I am writing 2,2,3 trimethyl pentane structure. 2,2,3 trimethyl pentane. Pent means 5 carbon atoms, right? Give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3 trimethyl. 2,2,3 trimethyl pentane. Now you have to find carbon. Which carbon? This one, primary, right? Because attached to one carbon atom. Like that we can find what type of carbon atoms are there. You can do it own and find what type of carbon atoms are there. Here I wrote structure of 2, 2, 3 trimethyl pentane. Next one, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary carbon atoms. In which one primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary carbon atoms are there? Cyclohexane structure. This is the cyclohexane, right? Cyclohexane structure. Next, isopentane structure. What is the isopentane structure? This is isopentane, right? Isopentane. This one isopentane. Next, now here I wrote the structures of all the compounds. You can find what type of carbon atoms are there, primary or secondary or tertiary or quaternary, right? Here I wrote all the structures. Just you have to find what type of carbon atoms, right? You can do it one.